Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this episode I'm going to talk about or show you the procedure to access Wells Fargo ATM without card. To access Wells Fargo ATM without card, you have to follow these steps. I'm going to show you the procedure that has been provided by the Wells Fargo itself. So when you go to this page, that is wellsfargo.com/ATM, you could find out the ways to do it. So Wells Fargo debit card to your digital wallet to easily access your account with using your mobile device at any Wells Fargo ATM. So you just have to tap your digital wallet near the contactless symbol on the ATM, and you need to enter the PIN. Once you've actually done it, so you could also go ahead and tap your debit card or streamline deposit or make a payment and transfer. So this way you should be able to access Wells Fargo ATM without card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.